up? We got some fun loco, man.
show that shit. Where your locals at?
Hold on.
The A's and them locals. Oh shit. Who the hell's in town? It's the Rick myster.
He's fishing. Well,
he ain't drinking. He's fishing.
He's eating food on my brand.
He's fishing in P-Town with another local, well-known local man. Where's everybody at? Jolton said it's a dive view. It's a dive mountain now. Oh shit. Damn fishing. P-Town right here.
So I guess how we gonna do this? You get out of the side to side, right? Yeah. And alright, play it.
We doing what you doing. We got 2 fishing poles, the monster. Oh, what the hell is that big ass boat over there?
Fishing right now.
That's our VIP fishing boat right there.
Y'all like my umbrella, man?
Get the pimp umbrella right here.
Portable umbrella, man.
And Rick Meister is hiding in the shade because he's scared he get hella dark.
He's already hella dark.